Welcome to this YouTube channel Easy Engineering. How are you? Hope you all are doing good and watching my videos regularly. And up to now, if you are having any doubts, you can comment me down and I'll be replying to each and every comment. Okay? So, now let's continue the topics. So in the last class we have discussed about these flow control statements, which includes break and continue. So next we are having jumping statements. Means the first we have to see the definition and then what are the jumping statements, and we are going to discuss thoroughly about one by one, and we are going to discuss a program, the LED. Okay. Now firstly we are going to discuss about the definition of jumping statements. See, these are the statements which are used to jump from one place to another in a program. See, means in a program, see here we are having a program, right? In this program, see the control move starts from main, as you all know already, and after that the control starts from main, and see it will be going on like this. The control goes on like this, line by line. Okay, so line by line. Okay, but if you don't want to execute these, and if you want to directly move from here to here, then you are going to use these jumping statements, because rather than commenting these, means see we are using this part for some reason but not for every reason in a program. Okay, then you can use jumping statements to jump from this value to this value. So in other executions it may include these also. The execution may continue like this. Okay, so in this time, means in some cases you wanna use this and you wanna skip this group of lines, then you are going to use jumping statements in your program. Okay, I think you got the clarity about the definition of jumping statements. Then now we are going close into jumping statements, means what are present inside jumping statements. What are the jumping statements? They are go to and return. These both are called jumping statements in C language. In other languages they may differ. Okay, but in C language these are go to and return statements. Okay, and now let us discuss about go to and return statements. Okay, now first of all let me discuss about the go to statement. Okay, then here comes the definition. While discussing about the definition, see, it is a statement which is used to jump to a specific point from anywhere in the program. See, it is same like jumping statement, right? See, these both definitions give same meaning. See, jumping from specific point to anywhere in the program. Okay, that is the definition of go to, and then you have understood it just now only. So let's keep that definition and let's go to syntax. In syntax, see, we are having go to, where go to is a keyword. You will be finding in the list of keywords which I gave you in very first or second class. I don't remember exactly. So I have gave you the list of keywords, right? So in that go to is present. Okay, and label means it is the part where the control should be jumped. Means from this part to, see, in this program, from this part to, we are going to skip here, right? We are going to jump here. So this will be having some label. Okay, we have to give some label if we want to jump like that. Okay, see, and these are some lines of code in between, and from here the control should be jumped here because here we are having label, and this is the code to be executed. Okay, and this is a code to be executed while this line is executed. Okay, while this line is executed, the control will be jumping from here to here, and this code will be executed after this line. Okay, this is the what definition and explanation for go to statement, which is a jumping statement, and we are having some example of go to also. Now let's discuss that example of go to, and let me copy this. I think it is a bit longer program. Okay, yes, I'm copying. I have copied it, and now I'll go to the online compiler, and let me paste it. Yes, but see, these all are unnecessary, so wait a second, I'll do it. I'll clear them. Yes, I have completed the editing, and now see, you can see the program. See, this is a very first line, and this is a function called even odd. Okay, and here comes main function where the execution starts. Okay, the execution starts from this main function, and see, here we are creating a variable n with the value 26. Okay, the value 26 is assigned to n, and see here, this even odd of n is called as function call. Here we are calling this function even odd. Okay, we are calling this function with what is this called, argument, or it is called argument. See, and here these the values which are given to the function are called parameters. We have discussed about these the differences between parameter and argument also, right? Okay, then see, after this the execution goes to here, this statement, and this block, this function will be executed. See, if n%2 equals to 0, then go to odd, go to even, because see, if see, here we are having n value as 26, right? 26 is when divided by 2 gives remainder 0, so we have to go to even. Then see, this is the keyword, right? So this is the master of the program. We have written the program for this statement, right? So then go to, here comes go to even. This even is called as label, right? See, here we are having this label. Like this, we have to write the labels for any program. Okay, and in the label we are having printf %d is even. This will be printed when this condition is true. Okay, when this condition is true, this statement will be executed and the control jumps to here. Okay, then after printing that, we have to write return, because after that we are having another labels also, right? So we have to write return. Okay, without return, see, we will be printing this and we will be printing this also. The control won't be stopped. It will be started and going on up to the end of the loop. So we have to stop it. So with the help of return, we can stop the control. So that is the reason we are writing return. Okay, then else, if that is not, this condition is not true, then else block will be executed, which means go to odd. Here we are having odd also, right? In odd we are having %d is odd. Okay, now let's execute this program and see what we are getting the output. See, we are getting 26 is even, right? This is the expected output, right? Because See, we have known the execution of program. Let's see by giving an odd number. Now let's run. Yes, we are getting the same output, means correct output. 23 is odd. And see, let's comment this return and see what happens. Okay, after commenting return, see, after running, 23 is odd. Okay, let me print, give even number and see, then run and see, we are getting 22 is even, 22 is odd. We are getting two statements, right? That is the mistake. Okay, so return is required to stop the execution where we are needed. Okay, that is the explanation of goto. And next we are having return statement. See, return is, it is used to terminate the execution of a function and return a value to the caller. Return is a statement where we are stopping the execution of a function. See, here we have used return to stop the execution here itself, right? And we have used it to get out of this loop. Okay, then this is the use of function, this is the use of return. And another use of return is, we have to see, we are using some function, not this, okay, no problem, we will be having example also, right? Let's discuss in that. See, we are having syntax also. Let me discuss syntax. Syntax means return is a keyword, right? So this return should be written, and after that statement, the statement means the value to be executed, means, see, we are writing functions for some use, for some computations, right? That value after the computation is written as the statement. Okay, now let's see the example. Okay, we are having example where, let's see some example. Yes, we are having here. See, we are giving a as 18 and sum is a function. We are having return x plus y. See, this sum function is written for the use of adding two numbers. So see, return gives the value of addition of two numbers. Okay, this is the usage of return. Okay, I think you have all understood. I'm not going to execute that return example because it is already executed when I am discussing that particular topic. Then it is not discussed now. If you want, you can watch the previous video and you can know that. Okay, thank you. This is all for today. If you like the video, you can like, share and subscribe to my channel Easy Engineering and watch my videos. See, watch my this tutorial where you can know each and every topic related to C language. And okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next class.